Hi, hi, and welcome to Ru's Kitchen and Garden. Sorry, I am looking like this. That's because I've been in the garden for the past, I think, three and a half hours. It's very sunny. I was planting pineapples, which I will show you soon. Um, and also, I was doing a bit of gardening, topping up work, and stuff like that. But right now, I have made this video to show you something that I'm going to try for the first time in my life. I make compost like that, but I've never tried this watering system which is called the Oya. Just give me a minute. So this is the Oya. Oya is an unglazed clay pot which has, as you can see, water in it. So the water is filled to the brim. I am going to dig this until here. This lip will stand out of the soil. I'm going to dig this in a tomato pot. What I also want to show you is, just give me a second. Let's not waste water. There is no hole in this Oya. So the soil will get water through this porous clay pot. So there'll be water exchange without water evaporating from the top. The water will keep seeping or keep being in the soil, will keep distributing in the soil through the porosity of this clay pot. So what this does basically is that you don't have to worry about your plant's roots not getting water or your plants getting dehydrated, because they won't if you plant these Oya in the soil. So I'm going to dig up the tomatoes now. So in which kind of soil can you put this, or which plants should you put this? You should put it in bigger plants like pumpkins, tomatoes, eggplants. You can also do it in around, like, gourds that require like more water. So I'm going to do it for my tomato plant. This is too big. If I find small clay pots, then I'm going to put them in each and every pot. That also, you don't have to worry about, with the weather is very hot like today. You don't have to come up and even if you like skip a day of watering in between, you don't have to worry about your plants drying out, the soil drying out because of these Oyas. So what we're going to do is, once we place this in the pot, we have a cover because we don't want mosquito breeding, right? So I'm going to dip this in the soil, keep the rim outside, and fill it with water. And I think every 2 days, 3 days, or whenever the water level is low, you can fill it up and cover it with a cover. Now, can you add any fertilizer or banana peels or anything inside? Better avoid it, because obviously the porosity will also get compromised, and secondly, the water will stink because it will ferment, and when you open it, it's going to stink. So it's better to be avoided. Just put pure water in this. And I don't have my tripod up here. I'm going to quickly dig that tomato plant, the soil around the plant in the pot, sorry, and I'm going to dip this Ola and then I'll show you. Now you see this, I have dug this Oya, only the lip or the rim is on top. I saw a nice family of earthworms below it. They were chilling, felt very bad to disturb them. So these are my 3 tomato plants here. So now I've filled this up, as you can see. I've dug this up, as you can see. Let me fill it up. There's some soil fallen inside. So first time, let me get this Oya overflowed. So no, the soil isn't going to come out. Okay, I need some more water. So I'm going to fill it up or top it up with some more water. But this is the cover I was talking about. So you cover this and keep it. So when you cover this, no mosquitoes will come and breed. Nothing will fall from top. But now, when you see, after few days, all these roots will come near the Oya, and they'll start growing around it. So now these tomato plants and even my eggplant, I always see that they need more water. So when you don't get time to constantly water, well, that's not the case. When it comes to me, I'm always in my garden, so I'm always taking care. But there are times when you're traveling and someone else is taking care of your plants, and that these are heavy feeders. And what if somebody doesn't take proper care, or forgets to water them, or doesn't water them enough? You can fill your Oya before your holidays and go, and your plants will be taken care of. So this is it. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will go and top it up. Oh, so like I said, thank you for watching Ru's Kitchen and Garden. And if you have any questions regarding these Oyas, which is known as spelt as OLLA watering system, Ola, but it's pronounced as Oya. So yeah, if you like the Oya video, do let me know. Bye. Pineapples. They've been. We had some nice, lovely Taiwanese pineapples, so I'm trying to grow them. We cut the tops, put them in water, let them root it for a few days. I think they were rooting for like good 2 weeks when we were changing water every day, and then now I've potted them in this. Hope they grow well.